Hey viewer, let's check the voltage surround you when you're working. You need these tools to check the voltage around you. So first I'll check the mouse. Yes, there's lots of voltage in the mouse. If I check a little bit far from no voltage, let's check in keyboard. There voltage or not? Yes, see, there's lots of voltage. And the charger cord, yes, and the monitor, lots of volt. Laptop, yes, even here there is a volt. Little bit here, no volt. Volt, no volt. No volt. I mean, the voltage is around like this. Voltage. And other stuff, table, no volt. Wire, voltage. Wire, voltage. Screen, yes. The power plug, lots of volt. No volt. The fishing rod, no volt. The gun, no volt. The cable here, power cable, lots of volt. Lots of volt. Lots of volt. But the fishing rod handle, no volt. This cable, check. This cable is not plugged in the power, so no volt. But the power plug is huge volt. And again the mouse, volt. The water, no volt. No volt. Money bag volt. How come? Oh. The fishing lure. This area is volt. Lots of volt. So the moral is this: when you work at home and front of computer, you should little bit backward, like this. Then you can work. It will be good. Thank you for watching. Bye.